Hi guys, today I wanted to take you through some of my recent empties just to go over a few things that I really enjoyed, some that I might repurchase and some that I might not. So starting from the top, I have one of my Bioderma Shower Oils. This is an amazing product. It really reminds me of the L'Occitane Almond Shower Oil that I adore. Very similar texture, different scent. This one is less floral and less kind of warm than the almond one. This one is kind of just like a clean soapy smell. Really nice, good for the whole family. A beautiful bottle. The only thing was that I couldn't roll off the top here, so I had to do a bit of surgery to get out the last drops, but this is awesome, especially like for pH balance and just for keeping your skin hydrated. It's super good. Something random, but this is a deodorant that I bought at the dollar store. It was $3. It's Dry Idea and it has Stress Shield. Anything that says Stress Shield is my cup of tea. Oh, it's made in Canada. How lovely. So this is just a roll-on deodorant and it is so simple. It has barely any scent and it worked really well. I'm loving roll-ons because I find that they keep my underarms really moisturized and I don't get itchy. Some of the stick deodorants too get kind of like crusty and bally and it's just like not a good texture under there. I put these on at night and they always work so well. No weird smells and no marks on my clothes. So I actually repurchased that one. This is a cleansing oil from Elizabeth Grant, another Canadian company. I'm not going to repurchase this because it is a very weird texture, to be quite honest with you. It came with these lip tattoo lipsticks that smelled really like acetone, you know? So this removes those lipsticks that I didn't actually even use, but it's really good for swatches and for cleaning your skin if you've done any kind of makeup swatches or if you're a makeup artist or something. So I pretty much exclusively use it for that, for breaking down really long wearing makeup, but I rarely actually put it on my face. I just don't like the texture of it. This Nippon Fab Glycolic scrub is really cool. It's nice and gentle for the face. The little kind of pearls in it are not rough, so you do need to really manually work it into the skin, but once you do, it works great. They are glycolic pads and their glycolic range in general is really good. This is a UK brand. I wouldn't purchase this one again because I find that with a scrub, I like something that's kind of a wash as well. My favorite one is from Rouge, a Canadian made company. Yeah, this doesn't like wash off any makeup, so I'd prefer kind of an all-in-one in terms of exfoliator. This Indie Lee Co Q10 Toner. This was fantastic. It just made my skin feel great. It's almost like the Thayer's Witch Hazel Toner, but like 10 times better. So this is Rebalance and Prime. You pretty much just either saturate a cotton pad or squirt it right onto the face. Really good, a nice clean brand, beautiful packaging, so I would definitely repurchase this. Also, how good is this lipstick? It is brand new, Rouge Powder Matte from Avon in Berry Wonder. Obsessed. Anything powder matte and it's not drying. It actually feels like kind of hydrating and creamy. Favorite. Okay, another favorite, Biossance Squalane and Phytoretinol Serum. This is one of the best retinols on the market in my opinion. It really felt like an all-in-one moisturizer serum treatment, and this little bottle lasted so long and I just really loved the texture. It felt like absolutely nothing going on the skin and just plumped and made my skin feel and look amazing. So a really great retinol for people who just want something simple, you know? And it smelled good and beautiful texture. Benza Gel. I did not appreciate this when I first bought it because I always love cleansers that almost give a lot of excitement, that foam up or, you know, smell strong or something. But now I've really grown an appreciation for cleansing milks and cream cleansers. This is essentially like a cream cleanser with a lot of benzoyl peroxide in it. It is a gritty cream texture, does not smell like anything positive or negative, and it just works great. I put it on my face, leave it on for a few minutes in the shower, rinse it off. You should definitely use this regularly, so I'll probably try and get a bigger bottle of this, but it's fabulous. Benza Gel is the only thing that works for my blemishes as well. Their little treatment, so absolutely great. Okay, so this is a tried and true. I've bought it 3 times over now. This is the BeautyRX Advanced 10% exfoliating glycolic pads. This is a chemical peel from home. I'll use this once or twice a week. It's like a 18%, actually, yeah, that's pretty high. Because I use the pads and then I use the serum on top. This makes your skin look completely like resurfaced by the morning. I put it on at night and then I wake up looking really, really clear. So this is the only thing that makes a big difference on my skin. I use one pad and then the serum right on top, and it is awesome. My skin's never irritated and it refines my pores, reduces blemishes, brightens. It is outstanding. So these two together are a match made in heaven. I find I've had reactions with a lot of other glycolic peel pads in the past, but these are the best. Okay, a very expensive one here. We have Kat Burke's Lift and Fill Marine Gel Serum. So this was beautiful. It is a really luxurious serum and it truly gave my skin like a drink of hydration. I think the main ingredient is like an aloe base, so there's no water as like filler, and it just plumped up my skin, really helped to reduce any healing spots, any scarring, and it felt amazing. So I wouldn't repurchase it because I feel like a hyaluronic acid serum could give me a similar plumpness, but boy, is that ever a good product. So if you like Kat Burke, that is a must try. Okay, PFB is a roll-on for men and women. It is a post-waxing and shaving serum. This is good for like the legs and stuff, under the arms. I just find it's kind of an awkward format. Smells, like astringent, and I guess it worked, but I just found it to be kind of stinging, so I wouldn't repurchase it. I'd rather just use like a spray-on glycolic or salicylic toner on my legs if I needed, like just to mitigate bumps and stuff. Good product, just not really the format for me. My first ever beauty blender, rest in peace. It is literally starting to like dissolve, so it's gotta go. This was really fun. Seventh Heaven Charcoal Toning or Tonic Mask. I've tried the bubble mask from this brand as well. Here is creepy evidence of the bubble mask. This one was super nice. It is supposed to detox and revitalize with green tea. This one's good if you're just having like a stressed out skin day, if you just kind of need to calm and soothe any red spots, or if your skin's just looking dull. This is a beautiful item to put on, lay in bed, the world will be a better place. Another Elizabeth Grant, this is their Wonder Effect Toner. This is super simple, super good toner. Put it on a cotton pad, day's done. It feels really good and helps to prep your skin for moisturizer. Guys, this Shiseido serum, it is the Bio Performance Glow Revival Serum. I'm so sad this is done. This was a morning treat. It is a brightening serum. It doesn't leave your skin sticky. It's like this beautiful pinky mother of pearl color. It felt like a dream. I'm not going to repurchase it right now, but I definitely would in the future. This little bottle was so cute. It's really good. That is a very, very good morning serum. Dior Show. This is their Pump In Volume HD Mascara. Very good. This worked really, really well with the primer, the mascara primer from Dior, which I adore. I have purchased many times now, and this mascara was a good pair. I got this in Vegas. That's the only designer mascara I will buy. Okay, Clarins, this is their peeling cream. It's too hard to use, and it also gives me like PTSD because I went for an express facial at the counter and they used this and it was stuck on my face for the rest of the day. It's this cream that you apply to dry skin, and then as you rub it, it kind of balls off and is supposed to be exfoliating. I prefer a rinse-off exfoliator like that, so no, it's too messy. Oh my god, I can't believe this is done. The Nail Envy Nail Strengthener Matte. I've had this for so many years. This is super amazing, both as a base coat and a nail strengthener. I just bought 2 more, and I actually even had some left. I've probably used this like 400 times and it's not even done. I don't know how it's still full. I don't know how there was still stuff in it and how it hasn't dried out, but this is majestic and the only nail polish base that really works for me. And it's not even marketed as one, so that's just how good it is. Okay, Fit Glow Beauty. This is their makeup cleansing oil. This was really nice. I found it to be not as good at rinsing off as something like my L'Occitane Immortelle oil. but it was pretty good. They are a vegan beauty brand and just super luxe clean beauty, so I would definitely recommend trying this one if you're into cleansing oils. Okay, last product. This is my Reversa Anti-Redness Moisturizer. I still have some left in here, but I think it's too old to use. My face is starting to get a little itchy. This is a really, really amazing product for redness, whether you have rosacea, acne. It is really good, a beautiful makeup base, really easy to use. It has a great pump bottle where no air gets in. It is made in Canada and it's just so simple. Really cute packaging too. Reverse is a beautiful brand. Okay, this is everything. Let me know what you've used up recently. I've been loving getting through skincare, trying things that are new, and just rediscovering old favorites in my routine. So leave a comment below telling me what you've used up recently, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!